There they go again. Look at that. They're red. You can probably see them on film almost now. Damn, they're going down too low, are they? I can still get them over here a little bit. They're a lot brighter than they were yesterday. I think I still got them a little bit here. Can't see them really good now. There they go. Okay, I can hear it now. Hear it? Yeah, you can hear it. Listen. It's not blinking now. Stop blinking. Now it's blinking. It's... Huh. Where is that son of a gun? They don't stay. That's a red one. The other one's right over here, next to it. They're going a different direction, exactly opposite now. Same red ones, but there are only two of them this time. Helicopter's coming too again. For the second time already, I can hear it. I think.